Hello, Tim from Olsen Motorsports. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about the car we have presented for sale. This car started as a 1992 Porsche 964 that was chemically stripped all the way down to a bare tub, and then we backdated it to an early 70s model long hood. The color is purple. It started as midnight blue and then was completely customized to be this amazing purple color that you see. The body finish, which is all carbon fiber. So it's a carbon roof, steel door, carbon front fenders, carbon hood, carbon front bumper, carbon rear bumper. That's mated to a Ellen Engineering internal parts with an Auto Verde oil pump, 9 Meister head 4-liter. To a G50 gearbox. The G50 gearbox is fully restacked. It's rolling on JRZ suspension, RS1s, as well as Brembo brakes. Came to the table with an amazing brake package for this car. Interior-wise, it's fully custom interior, a little bit of a break from the norm of how Porsche Classics interiors look. This one's completely redone. It's got all brushed nickel internals, brushed nickel armrests. It's got a $15,000 Hertz Mille Pro sound system in it, mated to JL Audio VX amp. So there's 3 amps in the car as well as a subwoofer. So it's an amazing crystal clear sound. Internally, we also have Focal acoustic mat all around the car. So it's a great driving car in terms of audio. In the front, we have 911 design headlights with the halos in them. It really sets off the rest of the car. And that is also mated to brushed nickel trim. So the entire car is brushed nickel door frames, door handles, and all across the front as well. Finishing it off, we have an M&M custom exhaust to give it that throaty, just perfect sound to the engine. So that, coupled with the interior as well as the audio in the car, is just an incredible driving experience. It's probably one of my favorite cars that we've ever done and ever driven. We also modified the factory 964 oil tank, and on that we retrofitted and custom made a Porsche center lock. So it's actually modeled after the Carrera GT or RS Spider, sort of famous blue center lock. Has all the custom engraving on it for loosen and tighten, as well as a Porsche crest in it. So that was a nice touch to finish it off. This car is presented for sale. Any questions or comments, you can find us on all of our social media outlets, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, as well as send us a note to info@olsenmotorsports.net. Thanks for watching.